Hey, welcome back to Harlee-Jax barbecue. Tonight we're cooking up some Parmesan garlic wings on the drum smoker. So let's get started. Okay, here we got some chicken wings. I've already cut up. I'll show you how I like to cut them because I bought them in full here. So I'm just gonna slice it right down the middle, right down to the end of that bone, kind of separate the joint there. And it should cut right in half. Might find it easier using some shears, which I didn't have any at the time. So here I'm gonna cut the tip of the wing off, which you can leave it on there if you want, don't matter. And there you have it. There's our two wings. So I got them all trimmed up. And here I got a gallon bag, freezer bag. Just gonna get them all in there so we can get some oil on them. And here I got some cayenne pepper olive oil. Just gonna add a little bit in there, just enough to cover them up so we can use that oil as a binder and kick up the heat a little bit. And we're gonna get them out on a foil pan so I can add a little bit of Parmesan cheese and the rest of the rub. The reason I like that Parmesan cheese is, I don't know if it's just me or what, but it seems like it crisps the skin up. So we got a cup here with that Parmesan cheese. Just gonna put half of it for now. And here I'm gonna add some Knorrs chicken bouillon. Stuff's really good. Or a tablespoon of that. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of paprika, which is optional. Ain't gonna give much flavor, just kind of color it a little. And here I'm gonna add a tablespoon of onion powder. Get that all in there, and then I'm gonna take a pan here and we're gonna shake it up and kind of get that all incorporated. Okay, we got that all shaken up. Now we're going to take the rest of that half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Get that in there and do a little more shaking. Okay, we got that all mixed up. Here I got some heath riles garlic jalapeno. Dust the top there a little bit. And we're going to flip it over and do the bottom half. Wrap it in foil, shake it up, and we'll be ready for the smoker. Okay, here we got some Kingsford, just regular charcoal. Get her good and lit in the chimney. It's going to take 2 of these, so here's the first one. Just because I want to cook her good and hot. And the second one. And here I got some pecan wood, just a couple pieces, just to put a little smoke on it. All right, we got our pecan going. Got some pretty good smoke going, so let's get her on. All right, we're cooking about 400 degrees, so we'll check them here in just a bit. Okay, so we've been on for 30 minutes now, so we're just gonna flip them over, rotate them, and we'll go from there. Looking nice. Okay, we'll give them just I don't know, another 30 minutes or so, and we'll see how they do. All right, I checked them. So they've been on for an hour and about an hour and 10 minutes. So they're way done. Be just right. So we'll get them off and we'll get some garlic Parmesan sauce on them. So we'll see in a minute. Okay, here I got this garlic Parmesan sauce. Just got it from Walmart, which is pretty good stuff, great value. So just put a little bit in there and mix it up. Here, we're gonna try a bite. Man, I'm telling you, this is really good. Give her a try. Hey, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Harlee-Jax barbecue tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.